Hey everyone, hope you guys are all having a great day. I just finished cleaning up the snow off my car. As far as Bitcoin's concerned, let's take a look at the daily and the 4-hour charts, and let's throw in a 15-minute there just so you guys can see what's going on there too. On the daily chart, you can see we got slammed here. This is not something that happens organically throughout the market. This is whales attempting to short us down here. So whatever technicals I kind of share with you guys, remember, whales can overcome any technicals because they have the physical capital to pressure the prices down dramatically. And up dramatically as well, but just keep that in mind, guys. So we've come back down below the 20-day moving average. Right now we're hovering just above the 200. Look at that. That seems to be our level of support at the moment. If we can hold this level for the next, let's say, 5.5 hours, I think you guys would be okay by taking a small position opening up here. If you guys have been buying over here, the best thing you could probably do is to wait, or unless you have a stop loss that you guys have already put in place, definitely execute that stop loss if it is taking place. I got a few things stopped off after buying here. A couple of those got stopped off for profits, but I needed to take some profit off the table here. Now, we also have this level of support here on the daily chart. This is another level of support. I'm hoping this is going to be able to hold well tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow, during tomorrow's day candle, we don't actually go all the way back up here towards 52,000, but we have a good chance of getting back up here to at least 50,000 for a nice long green candle to rebound off of this short attack here. In order for the whales or the shorts to succeed, they have to bring us down below this line, okay? Because if they do that, the next level of support for them is going to be all the way down here about $45,500, and that'll be a perfect day trade for them, swing trade for them. For us, just be careful, protect yourselves. If we do end up falling down below this, sell some coins off. You don't have to sell everything. Just kind of hedge a little bit and hope that we're able to consolidate here in this channel for a little bit and eventually move back up. I'm more excited about the channel. I'm happy about that, even if we do fall down below this one. But again, if you guys have some swing positions that you guys want to really have a decent stop loss for, the stop loss of all stop losses is going to be down here about 45,558. That's where my stop losses are for mostly everything I bought over here, even the stuff I bought over here and over here. I've trimmed some off for profits, but if it goes down below this, I'll have to reevaluate and I'll be maybe adding a short position on there. So let's kind of wait and see what happens. We're approaching this head and shoulders here, so let's hope that we don't actually complete the head and shoulders and we can actually work in this channel, consolidate even if we break down below this white line here, and then keep moving on. The one thing we don't want to have happen is us break down below this level. Then that's a good opportunity for us to fall all the way back down to 42,000, and then from there, we'll have to wait and see. Let's take a quick peek at the 4-hour chart. 4-hour still climbing here. Nothing too special here. We got above the 200 for just a fraction of a second. We weren't able to get that golden cross there, and it looks like we're going to have a little more of a death cross here where the 20-day moving, the 20 moving average on the 4-hour chart crosses below the 50 here pretty soon. So let's see how that one works out. If you're going to be bullish on this, which I still am in the long run, even if this little thing doesn't work out, but if in the short term right here, you're going to be hoping that over the next few hours, we're able to hold like this and then go back up here towards 52,000 or so. That'll give you ample opportunity to break above the 20, the 50, and the 200 on the 4-hour charts within a decent amount of time, which would give these the ability, give the 20 the ability to go above the 200, and give the 50 the ability to go above the 200 as well for a nice golden cross there. And last but not least, let's look at the 15-minute here. Let's get rid of that little thing. There we go. There you go. My dog is pouting. He's not in the snow anymore. There you go. See a steep drop off from yesterday. I mean, we were there. We were all talking about this, how this was a major level of resistance. It did not pan out because, boom, we got shorted. Gone down, gone down, gone down. Right now, if you're looking to buy, this is the opportunity. And since we are kind of in this little bit more volatile moment where you do see whales specifically trying to bring the price down, only add a small position here and not too much more than that. If you want to double down on it, fine. But your stop loss for any of your positions, if you buy right now, is going to be somewhere around like less than 1% or so. And then for some of these other coins, you're going to be buying the altcoins instead of Bitcoin. When Bitcoin bounces, you're going to expect these to have nice high bounces. So Bitcoin may go back up 2-3% tomorrow, while something like a Matic may go up like 8-9%, or STMX may go up 8-9%, something like that. Okay. But be cautious about this. I'm not overly too worried. I'm only going to be worried, like I said, if we drop down below this lows right here, 45,558. But for now, I'm fine with this panning out. Usually around this level, there's going to be nice support around here, even nice support around here. So again, let's just wait this bad boy out. If you guys want to sell some off, don't feel bad about it. I know some of you guys were asking me about that before. Some of you guys have been bought down here and you're afraid that you're going to lose all of your profits. Walk away with some profits. Even if we fall down, or even if this is the bottom and we go back up, it's okay to just make sure you're walking away with some profits after what we've been able to trade off of the last few days. Okay, guys? All right, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you guys at 7 p.m. Pacific time, and I will have some options videos for you guys tomorrow. Thanks again.